Your Emeril French Door AirFryer 360 is extremely versatile and easy to operate. Let's get familiar with the control panel. On the left, you'll see the 24 different presets that your Emeril French Door AirFryer 360 offers. The control knob located far right on the panel allows you to scroll through and pick the right preset for your cooking. Simply twist this knob clockwise or counterclockwise until you find the desired cooking mode. Press button to start. Here, you'll find the cooking time and temperature. This shows you if your heat source is coming from the top or bottom. When this is illuminated, your fan is on. This is where you'll know cooking time. If it's in a function that requires preheat time, a small pH will appear in the window. Cook time will begin once preheated. If you want to use your own cooking temperature, you can override the presets by using this button. And if you want to override the preset times, you can use this button. Press to turn the fan on or off when used with select presets, and to change the fan speed from high to low or off. A cooking preset must first be started to adjust the fan speed. After a cooking cycle is complete, you can press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds to activate the appliance's manual cooldown function. To see how your food is doing, you can press on the light button to illuminate the inside of the appliance. After selecting your function, you will press the start button. You can press it again during the course of cooking to pause the timer and cook function. You can press the cancel button to stop the cooking at any time, but note that the appliance may remain hot for several minutes. Some presets have a halfway timer, which allows you to shake or flip foods midway through. Remember, it's hot at this point. Don't forget to protect your hands. For more details on presets, cooking charts, and tips and tricks, please read your owner's manual. For more recipes, tips, tricks, and videos like this one, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.